need to beat this person up. Hold on. It's a very awkward position. Oh man, I've been beat up. I tell you what, well, let the fish explain.
What?
What? Well, time for me to get out of here. I'm that special guest. Way to go, my special guest. You told them all right, yeah! How come you sound like you got a reverb? Well, I don't got a reverb. I got headsets on and they're reverbing in my head. Well, I tell you what, take the show away the next time and you'll be beat him up! All right! I'll see you on the next one. Well, I guess we'll appear at another time. Have a great time, Mr. Guest. Have a great time. All right. Yeah, this is called the voice changer. And I'm using this particular mic set. One, two. And I got my other mic on over here. Well, I thought you had some fun and a laugh. I'm not going to sit here and play around and try to figure out how to do it. But that was Mr. Guest. He came in, he told you like it is, man. He told you like it is.